you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Magic at Your Doors Mystery Nightmare Before Christmas themed box. That's right. For my Nightmare Before Christmas fans, that is what this box is all about. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Magic at Your Door came out with a new one-time, no commitment, one-time purchase mystery box that's all Nightmare Before Christmas. If you guys follow me, you know that is my favorite. So of course I had to get it. So instead of getting another or a few other advent calendars, I decided to go ahead and get this. This was $299, I believe, plus shipping. I paid $300 and something, just a little bit more than $300 because of the shipping. But basically, this is a $300 box of Nightmare Before Christmas mystery goodness, and I cannot wait to dive in and see what's inside. So there is the sticker for this month that is super cute and very festive for this month being Halloween, and that is on both sides. And then it says, SheCrafty, let the magic begin, because my account is set to say SheCrafty for my name. I love the way that they change this up. This sticker they change every month on their normal subscription box. So it's always cool to see what they have and what it's gonna look like. So let's go ahead. I'm so excited. I did get a one-time mystery AF box that was the same price as how I started with this company. So I know their mystery boxes are amazing, and this one being all Nightmare Before Christmas, I had to. I'm like, wait a minute, wait, what? Yes, please, and thank you. So then when you did sign up for this one, it has a little drop down for you to choose which backpack you wanted to be in here. So that was cool because you get to at least pick the backpack that would be in there. So that's the only thing you would know is inside. And it was from Lock, Shock, Barrel, Oogie Boogie, and I think one that had Jack and Sally or something like that. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I don't know if there's still some available. I will link everything down below if you want to see if this box is still available, or if you just want to check out their subscription boxes, or they sell individual items on their website as well. So I'll link everything down below. Okay, so when I first open it up, there is the squiggles. Very nice for this time, being just the black, the gold, and the white. So I'm just gonna set this next to me because this is a big box. Okay, so let's go over the backpack first, since that is what I know for a fact I will have. Now, again, with the backpacks, you got to choose them, and it was a matching backpack and wallet. Now, I already have the wallet, and I asked them to not send me the wallet, but send me something in addition if they wanted, but I didn't need the wallet because I already have the wallet. So this is the backpack, and I'm hoping in this month's subscription box, I get the other one that I need to complete my collection. All I needed was Lock and Barrel. I just needed the backpacks, and I already have Shock, backpack, and matching wallet. So this is the backpack. It is super, super cute. So it has his face right here with his little hair that moves up and down because it's just sticking out there. And then the tail is right here hanging out as well. And isn't that just so cute? Okay, so sometimes they have things inside here, and yes, there is some things in here. The inside of this backpack is all lined with the black and white stripe. So this is so, so cute. I'm so glad to get this because, again, I needed it in my collection. And then now, what are these, patches? We don't need no stinking patches. What are these, patches, really? Yeah, removable patches for temporary application. Remove the paper. I don't know why you'd want a removable patch. I would probably want to either sew it on something or maybe use it for scrapbooking then, because I wouldn't want a patch that's just removable. I think that's just kind of a waste. It's my own personal opinion. So I'll probably use this for scrapbooking or something, even though I'm not too fond of gold. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this particular product. And then there's something else in here. Hold on, there's some of this. We have, what in the world is this? I'm reversible. It says $15.99. Oh, my backpack. This is $70. I have no clue what this is. Just says I'm reversible. Okay, you're reversible. I have no clue. Maybe I'll look up the product number and find it online and see, but I don't think that's a big ass lanyard. And if it is, then holy moly, that is way too big. So I don't know what this is. I'll figure it out. Okay, so then next is this little Oogie Boogie. It says Wishables. Wishables are the magic of Disney parks come to life. Let these soft, huggable friends join you on all your adventures. And it says limited release, Haunted Mansion, holiday series, Oogie Boogie. And I do not have a price, but there's that little guy. I'll probably just stick this on my tree as an ornament because I do a whole Nightmare Before Christmas themed Christmas tree. So maybe I'll make him one of my ornaments. So next we have is this right here. I personally am not fond of like the, what do they even call those? I like the original from like the movie. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I don't know what I'll do with this, but it says $30 and that is Sally. And it says that there's a series of like all different ones. So if you were to collect them all, that would be the different ones in the series. And it says designer vinyls collection. So that's cute. Okay, so then next we have is this guy right here, and it's a floating friend figurine and it's $40. So it's going to be 0. So this is really neat. I like all of the Jim Shore. And there we go. So there is 0 flying out of the house. His little back end is on that side. And there is his front end. That is super cute. I love that. So that is really cool. So I have that item. And then what else was inside the backpack, you guys, was this Disney pin. And I am collecting the Disney pins because I have that little Winnie the Pooh thing that I had made to put them all in. So this is really neat. You see Oogie Boogie, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. And then it's like raised. So like right here is like Oogie Boogie, Lock, Shock, and Barrel that go up on this little raised part. And then Jack is at the top. That is super cute. And yeah, this one does not have a price on it. It says yellow. They normally give you like the little list with your monthly box so you can see what price would be for the parks by color coordination. So I'm not sure how much that is valued at, but there's the pin right there. Okay, so next we have is this right here. This is valued at $35, and I did get the Beauty and the Beast one in last month's box, so that's really cool that now I have the Nightmare Before Christmas one, so I can set them both on each side. But here is that right there. Okay, so now out of the box, this is what it looks like. So you have Lock, Shock, and Barrel on that side. You have 0, you have Jack and Sally, and then you have Oogie Boogie. That is super, super cute. I love this goblet. And this one has like little purple rhinestones, where my Beauty and the Beast one had red on it. So isn't that so cute? And there's like the little spider web down at the bottom. So we have this. It's so cute. Now what my hard decision is going to be, which one do I have faced forward when I set it on my shelf? I think I like Lock, Shock, and Barrel. I'm not sure, but that is super cute. So we have that item. Now we have something in this box right here, and it says note card set, NBC, $25, note card box set, Disney. So, this is the one, then I already have this. Yes, I already have this, damn it. So one of my loyal subscribers actually sent me the cards. They're the Jack of all faces, and I put them all in frames. I'll show you right here. And I have them on the top of this little ledge that's like in my kitchen where it's the opening to see into the living room. So I have it on that little ledge with all of the different faces. She said that she used the box for like repurposed it because it was shaped like a coffin. So at least now I guess I have a complete set, but I already have these guys hanging up in my kitchen. So it's a little disappointing because I already have this, but it's a mystery box and now I have it again. Okay, so moving right along, there's a few more items. This looks like this would be a umbrella, and it says color changing. I've never had a color changing umbrella before. I think I do have an umbrella on my wish list, so I don't know if this was on there or not. I'll have to revisit my wish list and see what's going on with it. This, does it have a price tag? No, but it does show you, oh my gosh, how cute. So that's wet and dry. So right now it's gonna look like this being all, oh, I'm like, but wait a minute, I see blue. That's the cover, Tracy. Pull it out. Okay, so now it's going to look all like this, where it's gonna be all black and white. And then when you get it wet, it adds all this blue. That's super, super cute. So there is a little Jack face right there. I know they say it's bad luck to open up an umbrella indoors, but I don't care about superstition. I wish there was at least a button to like, you know, hi, that's what I have to have on mine, but you don't. And this is what it's going to look like. So let me twirl you around. So, okay, so there's Jack. It's Jack with his longy, lengthy legs, and then everything, I guess it'll just turn blue when it gets wet. Oof. And that's a little plastic thing to hold it up. Dang, you cheap. Wow, this is not gonna last long with this plastic little clasp just holds it open and closed. All right, so there is a umbrella. I'm sorry, this is just a cheaply made umbrella. Seriously. Oh, so I guess once it gets wet, it'll turn blue like that, I guess. So the next item is going to be these Jack hands. I know back in like 1997, 1998, I bought the Mickey hands, and me and my friend were wearing them, like one on each hand, when we went down the Splash Mountain to take our picture, and it was so cute. But now I have Jack hands. These are $24.99 from the Disney parks, and there you go. All right, so now we have is some Mickey ears, and it does have a little Jack face right there on this little top hat with this little veil thing that hangs down. There you go. There's some little feathers on the hat and everything. So that's cute. I just don't know about this little black veil thing. There we go. So there's some ears. And then the last item is going to be down inside of here. So let me see what's all in here, because there's all this in here. All right, you guys. So what is down inside of here is this bracelet. Now I received an Aladdin bracelet with the same brand in another box, and it didn't fit my wrist. And I know a lot of you guys are like, you have to pull it to make it bigger. Yeah, I did that. Still wasn't big enough for my wrist. So I don't think this one is going to fit me. This says $49.99 on the back. Holy moly. And look, it cannot go any wider at all, and it's not going to fit. I was doing it right. It doesn't fit. Okay, so here are the earrings. They have like these little tassel things here, but I'm not going to remove them, only because my ears are super, super sensitive. So I can't wear these. So I don't want to remove them or anything. I'm just gonna put them right back in the plastic bag. And then there's a matching necklace. So I'm not gonna open that one because it's a matching necklace. And it has the same thing where it has the purple with the tassel that hangs down right there. So there's that. And that's everything, you guys. I'm actually a little disappointed for once. And I probably because it's a lot of stuff that either I can't wear or I already have, or I was anticipating something else. But I have a umbrella. I have 3 jewelry items that I cannot use right here. Then we have this thing that I still have no clue what in the world this is. We have a little stuffed animal. These 2 items. I have a Disney pin. We have some reusable patches. We have Disney hands. We have this and the backpack. So to be completely honest, I'm only excited about this and this. I was really anticipating something different, but I guess it's my fault for already having some of these items and not being able to wear some of these items and not liking gold and that kind of stuff. So I guess it's just my fault, but I'm just not feeling like I spent a good $300 right now. And I don't like that feeling, but I still love the box. I can't wait to get this month's box. And yeah, so you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this Nightmare Before Christmas box? Do you think I got a good value with the $300? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction, oh, and I got these too, means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.